Chapter 11. Clean World, Green World. Introduction. There are many places around your house that form a part of your surroundings. Your neighborhood includes roads, parks, bus stops, the post office, and house. You should keep your surroundings clean. Throwing garbage anywhere except in dustbin is called littering. It spoils the beauty of environment. It breeds germs that may makes you ill. Environment. Environment consists of living and non-living things like air, water, land, plants and animals. These interact with each other. Plants use energy from the sun to grow. Plants provide food to the animals. The word environ means to surround. All living and non-living things that make up the environment are known as its components. Thus, it can be said that the environment has two components, abiotic and biotic. The abiotic environment consists of non-living things. It includes air, water and land. Besides these, climatic factors like rainfall, wind, sunlight, etc. also form a part of the abiotic environment. These components influence the nature, behavior and distribution of living organisms significantly. The biotic environment comprises of living things like plants, animals and microbes. Cleanliness of the environment. You do not care to keep your surroundings clean. You throw garbage here and there. You allow dirty water to flow out of your house into the streets. These things make the environment dirty and become breeding place for germs of many diseases like diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, malaria, etc. Flies carry the germs of these diseases to the food. These diseases are very dangerous and can even cause death. So, you should keep your surrounding clean so that you may live a healthy life. You should keep some points in your mind to make the environment clean. 1. Stagnant water becomes a breeding place for mosquitoes. There should not be any stagnant water inside or outside your house. There should be proper drainage system for disposing of waste water. The drain pipes that throw out dirty water should be properly covered. Waste water cannot be used to plants in the fields. Soak pit can also be made to dispose of waste water. 2. Garbage should not be thrown carelessly. It attracts flies. It should always be disposed of in a proper way. Inside the house, school and in other public places, garbage should be collected by municipal trucks and carried away from the city. In villages, the garbage is collected in compost pits. 3. You should have a proper latrine system in your home. The water-sealed pit latrine or flush system in such sanitary latrine. It keeps the latrine clean, free from flies and foul smell. In villages, people do not have a proper latrine system, so they urinate and defecate in the open fields. In villages, people should select a place for defecating and urinating away from drinking water. One important sanitary habit is to wash hands, fingers and nails properly. 4. Never spit in the open places. It makes the surrounding dirty and attracts flies and germs. 5. People who have domestic animals or pets should keep the sheds and stables clean. Dirty sheds and stables attract flies which carry germs from the dirty places into nearby homes. Pollution. The activities that make air, water and land polluted is called pollution. Types of pollution. Pollution are of many types, but three main types of pollution are: 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Noise pollution. Air pollution. Making air impure is called air pollution. The polluted air is unfit for breathing. Causes of air pollution. Burning of garbage. Factories which emit poisonous smoke from chimneys. Smoke from vehicles. Water pollution. Making water dirty is called water pollution. The polluted water is unfit for drinking. Causes of water pollution. Cattle bathing. People bathing and washing clothes in rivers. Disposal of harmful substances from factories. Throwing household wastes into the rivers. Noise pollution. Too much noise causes noise pollution, which makes us feel angry or turbid. Causes of noise pollution. Noise of vehicles on the roads. Loudspeakers, horns and loud music. The whole world is facing the problem of pollution. The world needs your help. There are some practical ways to help protecting the environment. Reducing wastes. Do not waste the food. Write on both sides of paper. Save electricity. Avoid using poly bags. Save water. Give recyclable things for recycling. Use paper bags.